Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is another tutorial because I like posting daily content now. Yeah. I'm gonna post a video tomorrow on thumbnail stuff like that kind of stuff. But today I'm gonna be teaching you how to basically I'll show you what to do. It's in the bridge. You can do it. It's like block clutching kind of. But basically you're gonna need some knowledge of block clutching. I will probably do that too. There's Tabby Claus, he's my AFK person in here. But this should be helpful for when you're trying to get across. You go down here, you just go like that. You just basically bridge all the way up. Or you could just go like this. Nah, sometimes it fails. You're not 100% guaranteed going to get it every single time. You have to pretty much block clutch first, and then you're supposed to be able to run. I'm pretty trash at it because I'm thinking of ways to make videos and stuff, so I had to learn stuff pretty fast. No. Nope, okay. Here, like this. Yeah, basically like that. Like I said, not guaranteed, at least, at all. It's definitely not guaranteed that you're gonna make it. But it is guaranteed cool when you do. Yeah, like that. It's helpful to jump too. If you're ever trying, if you fall, oh no, I fell. Block clutch. Oh, I'm getting back up. Oh, well, I just basically screwed it over because of a lag spike. Epic. Well, that was not very good. Yeah, this video shouldn't be too long. It's just a little bit helpful. I'm probably gonna go into a Skywars game and show you how it's done. You have to, basically, this is for situations where you get knocked off the edge, because that's helpful. In Skywars, it's a little less possible, but oh no, wait, say you get hit off here, you could quickly go like that and jump up, and then like that. Hey, no, ah, like that. But you're gonna want a hotkey because I'm bad at hotkeying. Do it again. Not with the bow. Here, hit me off. No, hit me off. Oh, okay, well that did work. For some reason my 2 key won't work. Do it again. Yeah, see, and it's helpful. Oh, look at me now, I'm on here. No, oh. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you can also speed bridge like that. It's pretty hard to do. Wait. Yeah, that's how you speed bridge like that. You can also, basically just... Yeah, you could do that. It's pretty hard to do, in my opinion. You can't... I can't god bridge, obviously. You can tell that I can't god bridge. I met a guy who could god bridge, and he was doing that. So that was cool. I will try to stick to Skywars videos, but today I just felt like making another one because this one's helpful. I'm saying you're good to go. Let me just win this quickly. I'll be back when I'm in the different thing. Oh, also guys, alright, I'm probably gonna have a little hard time finding that here. Don't do that. Oh. So basically another thing you can do is parkour like this. You're gonna want to spam click, use your prior knowledge to jitter clicking wisely. Okay, well when that happens you pretty much can't do crap about it because they hit you too far off the edge, but you know, it happens. You just gotta deal with the death sometimes. What a noob. Hey, that surprisingly worked. Boink. Alright. Back to the time lapse, of course. Alright, now that we're in normal mode, like this, we're gonna use those thingies to our advantage. I'm gonna go Pharaoh because you get a lot of blocks. It's helpful for block clutching and stuff like that. You're not probably gonna be able to do the block running, basically running across the side, like wall running. That's what it's called. Yeah, I forgot the name of it for a second. I don't know why, but I did. We're gonna try to win this game and also like try to get knocked off a couple times. And if I don't get knocked off, I'll just switch over to a different. Well, yeah, you don't want to do that. That was not a good idea. I had the eggs and I was like scared, so I didn't really do much big brains. Yeah, I'm still gonna attempt to do this again. Remember, use your Epic's jitter clicking skills from my first video that I posted of the daily uploads in Minecraft help area. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe. Only like 77% of my viewers are actually subscribed. So yeah, do that stuff. And if you don't, that's okay. I don't care. I mean, I do kind of care, but it'll really not hurt my feelings at all. Totally not. No, I won't get hurt my feelings. It's not that bad if you don't like it. We're gonna. That was good. Alright, that was a beautiful combo. No, there was nothing to block clutch on that. There's literally nothing to block clutch. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, because there wasn't that much to this video. It was just teaching how to do that. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, because I would really appreciate it. If you want to see more of this content, comment that. Or if you found something helpful, comment that. Or if you found something helpful and you want other people to see that part, and maybe if they didn't see it, like time code it in the comments below. Like my video last video that I posted, Poggers at 16:05. Go look at that. Watch that one. It's already at 35 views within like the first 8 hours, which I'm really proud of. That makes me very happy. Also, go subscribe to Tabby Claus. He posted his first video like yesterday, I think. It's a good video. He did some Skywars 2. And he's my friend. Go subscribe to him too. He's already at like, I think, like 12 subscribers, I think. So yeah, he'd really appreciate it if you subscribe too. I'm not sure how much percentages of his viewers are subscribed, but I'm sure it's more than me. So yeah, go subscribe to him, subscribe to me. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like, of course. And I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.